Introducing the 3D Printable GEN2 Decor Series, a 3D printable organization system that you can customize for any room. It's part of the GEN2 Modular storage system that can be rearranged within seconds. But with this series, you can print the body of the drawer separately and download, customize, and print knobs, handles, and faceplates as they become available. Achieve amazing results with even non-multi-material printers. It's a great use case for using exotic filaments such as wood-filled filament or creating unique textures with steel sheets. To assemble, slide the faceplate onto the drawer body. Insert M3 nuts into the slots on handles and knobs and lock them in place using M3 screws. And that's it. Find the download link in the description. Consider supporting the project by joining my membership. Oh, and I made you this really useful interactive PDF catalog. It's an organized way to find all the 3D models, and I'll put that link in the description as well.